Hi everyone. In this tutorial, you are going to learn ES6 concepts in JavaScript. So in this ES6 concepts are newly introduced in ECMAScript 2015. So before going to start React, so let me introduce this ES6 concepts. So in this ES6 concepts are improvements, new features in the JavaScript. Here some key concepts we are going to learn. First one is latent const. Second one is arrow functions. Third one is template literals. Fourth one is destructuring assignment. Fifth one is default parameters. Sixth one is rest and spread operators. Seventh one is classes. Eighth one is modules. Ninth one is promises. 10th one is enhanced object literals. These are the only 10 key concepts we are learning right now. Apart from this, we have many ES6 concepts are there, but mainly these are we are learning right now. So let's move into the topic. So go through the ES6 JavaScript features. First one is let and const. So let and const is a introduce of block scope variables. These are mainly replacing the older var keyword. And the next one is let can be only we are reassigned, but it is a block scope, and which is cannot reassigned, which is const, and which is block scope. Okay, so this is the block scope, this is a block scope, and this can be reassigned. Let can be reassigned, and const can't be reassigned. So let me give you one small example on this on let and const. So try to understand the topic. So let and const is providing the block scope, which means the variable is defined inside of the curly braces or else inside of the blocks. So which can't be assignable or accessible at the outside. Let me give you let a is equal to 3. Okay. So the next one is what we are doing right now. If a is equal to 3, if it is true, it is moving into the next block. Okay, so I'll give you one small snippet. So let a is equal to, again we are using the for console.log, which means you are consoling the a. So let's see here. Here we are assigned the variable a is equal to 4. It's a block level variable. So here once you assign the variable and you are here to debug the a value. So let me know what is the value you will get here. So let's use node script.js. Okay, what are the variable? First value is in the console is a is equal to 4. Next one is here it is a 4 and it is 3. So why we are getting this value? So let me first, it's a JavaScript is an interpreted language. First one is it is moving into the first step, let a is equal to 3. So which is assigned 3 in variable a. So then next one is function is calling. So function is calling here. So it's not like conditional statements. Let's suppose you can take conditional statement. If it is true, then let a is equal to 4, because why we are writing the true, so it is directly moving into the loop. So inside of the loop in the curly braces here return let a is equal to 4. It's a uh, block. In this block we are writing the code, and console.log a is equal to Here it is a 4. The next one is if you are getting this, so A can't be accessed at the outside. So that's why we are writing console.log A is equal to 3. I hope you understand this one. Next one. So let's suppose if you use the const. Okay. Const A is equal to, so A is already written, right? B is equal to 10. And here B is equal to 10. So here you can see console log B, console log B. Let's say suppose you can take the value B here. Okay. So let's see, let's run this query. Here you will get some error. So what is the error you are getting? Once you are running this script file, 4 and 3 will be printed in the console. Next one is B. B in the console.log, here is a B is equal to 20, which is like what? Assignment to the constant variable. So you can't be reassign the value at next moment. This is what the let and const. And then hope you understand these concepts of let and const. Then we can moving into the next concept, that is let me explain the arrow functions. Okay, so in this arrow functions, so in this arrow functions are providing the concise way to write the functions, and which is automatically binding the this based on the context. So that context is let me suppose if you take a function add or else subtract, use a comma b. Okay, the function how can we write? We can write in the curly braces, then return the value a plus b. Here what we are doing right now, here we are using arrow function equivalent. So how can we write the same function? So let's suppose if we are using this function add 3 comma 4. Okay, add 3 comma 4, in the console you are writing this value console.log, okay, add 3 comma 4. So after completion of this function, if you understand this function, let's suppose you can see what is the value 3 plus 4 is a 7. So hope you understand. So how can we write the same function using of the arrow function? So try to use the same functionality, but here the small change is const add is equal to, here we are not required this function and return, both lines are not required. So directly we can write add a and b, arrow function a plus b. So here return keyword is also not required. So write it down and use the same, just to comment it. This is the first one. So try to practice by your own also, so it will be helpful for you to understand more. So here you can see the function, and this function is giving the same output 7 7, but the change is function we are not returned, so concisely we are writing the code within a one line. Okay, so this is how we can write the arrow functions. I hope you are clear about. So in a large functions, so many functionalities are required to write in a program. So that's why this is very helpful for you to write the concise program. Next one is what the next one? So let's suppose you are moving into the template literals. So template literals, how it is works. Template literals. So in this template literals, how it works? So template literals is allowing the embedded embedded or else embedding of expressions, and variable can we are using the string and also the using of the backticks. Embedded the expressions and variables inside string using backticks. So how can we write this one? This is very small example. I'll go and then explain. So const a is equal to 3. Okay, let's take next one is next one const b is equal to 5. So here what I am doing right now, here I am using the sum is equal to, so you must use the backticks to write this value. The sum of the two variables is, so here we must write the dollar sign and then we are writing a plus b. Okay, understand? So next one, you are assigned this all the content to this variable. So now you are calling the variable sum the variable you are calling here, then just run this query. The sum of the two variables is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. So that's why here we can embed the expressions. So we are embed this all the a and b value with the one expression. So using of single backticks and we are using this dollar sign to write this template literal. I hope you got an idea about how we can write this template literal. In this template literal, we are using to embed the more expressions to write in a single moment. Okay. So next one, what we are moving into the what concept we are going into. Next one is the destructuring assignment. In this destructuring assignment, how we can use? So in this destructuring assignment is nothing but destructure assignment. In this destructure assignment, it is allowed to extract the values from either array or else object. So which is an individual objects. Take one small example, a comma b is equal to 3 comma 5. So why I'm using this small snippet, so try to understand. Console.log here a comma b. Let's write a comma b. Run this query 3 comma 5. So here what we are doing, we are assigning this a and b to the 3 comma 6. Means 3 comma 6 we are assigning to the variable a comma b using of and small array. So here we are debugging the values using of console.log a comma b. So this is an array example. Next one is objects. Let's take object. Object is one person. Let's take person is equal to. So I am using my name. So you can use single quotes or double quotes. Siva Veludurthi. Here I am writing age is age. You can write it down directly. 26. So I'm writing. Next one is const. Here we are destructuring into the one variable. Let use the same. How can we destructuring this destructuring this object. Const name comma age. Name comma age is equal to person. Okay, name and age to this person. So we are just segregating this one. Next, console.log name comma age. Okay, name and also the age. Here what we are doing, here this is the name of the person. So actually we are using person dot name, right? So here also person dot age. If you write it down directly, you will get to see the person name and age. So run this. The name is Siva Veludurthi and the age is here it is 26. This is how we are destructuring these objects, destructuring of arrays, and then how to destructuring of these objects. So we are using name comma age directly like this. Okay, this is how we are writing the destructuring assignments. Okay, next one. Next one is in this sixth to the remaining this rest spread operator class modules. In this classes modules promises and enhanced objects literals we can learn in the next part 2 video. So let's wait till the video will come. So I hope you know about this ES6 concept. Once I'm like just reminding all the concepts: let and const, arrow functions, template literals, destructuring assignment, and here you are going to learn the remaining concepts in the next coming video. Okay, so let's wait for the next video. Thank you so much and practice more on these ES6 concepts. You will get at least one question in an interview, whether you are experienced or else whether you are fresher. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye.